Good morning, my dear third semester mechanical and electrical students. Today, I will discuss what are the difference between petrol engine and diesel engine or SI engine and CI engine. Last class, I have already discussed what is IC engine. Again, I am saying IC engine means internal combustion engine. That means the combustion of fuel takes place inside the engine cylinder. The examples of IC engines are or internal combustion engines are motorcycle, truck, bus, aeroplane, locomotive, etc. I have already discussed what are the terms used in an IC engine. First of all, bore. Bore means the diameter of the working cylinder is known as bore. It is measured in millimeter. Then dead center. Dead center means when the piston and the connecting rod are in the same straight line, that is known as dead center. There are two types of dead center for vertical engines and horizontal engines. For vertical engines, that means TDC and BDC. That means top dead center and bottom dead center. What is TDC? When the piston is at topmost, that is towards the cover end side of the cylinder is known as top dead center. What is BDC? When the piston is towards the crankshaft is known as BDC or bottom dead center. Then I have already discussed what is stroke length. Stroke length means the maximum distance travelled by the piston when it moves from TDC to BDC or BDC to TDC, that is known as stroke length. It is measured in meter or centimeter and is denoted by L. Then what is clearance volume? Clearance volume means when the cylinder, when the piston is at top dead center, there is some volume between piston and cover end side, that is known as clearance volume or BC. What is swept volume? The working piston, when it moves from TDC to BDC, and it occupies the volume, that is known as Vs. Vs is equal to A into L. A means area of the cylinder and L means stroke length. It is also written as pi by 4 d square into L, where d is equal to diameter of the working cylinder and L is equal to stroke length. Then what is total cylinder volume? It is the sum of clearance volume and swept volume. That means V is equal to Vc plus Vs. Then compression ratio. It is the ratio between total cylinder volume to the clearance volume, and it is denoted by small r. R is equal to total volume by clearance volume. That means R is equal to V by Vc, or R is equal to Vc plus Vs by Vc. Then what is piston speed? You know that speed means the distance travelled per unit time. But here the distance travelled by the piston per unit time is known as piston speed, and it is given by 2 into L into N meter per second, where L is equal to stroke length and N is equal to RPM, that means revolution per minute. Then I have already discussed what are the difference between two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. Two-stroke means in case of two-stroke engine, the cycle is completed in two stroke of the piston or in one revolution of the crankshaft. But in case of four-stroke engine, the cycle is completed in four stroke of the piston or in two revolution of the crankshaft. But now I will discuss what are the difference between petrol engine or SI engine and diesel engine or CI engine. That means petrol engine is also known as SI engine. That means spark ignition engine. Our diesel engine is also known as CI engine. That means compression ignition engine. First difference is a petrol engine or SI engine draws a mixture of petrol and air during suction stroke. But in case of diesel engine or CI engine draws only air during suction stroke. Number 2. In case of SI engine or petrol engine works on Otto cycle, in which combustion of fuel takes place at constant volume. But in case of a diesel engine or CI engine, it works on diesel cycle, in which combustion of fuel takes place at constant pressure. The third difference is, in case of petrol engine or SI engine, the carburetor is employed to mix air and petrol in the required proportion and to supply it to the engine during suction stroke. But in case of diesel engine or CI engine, injector or atomizer is employed to inject the fuel at the end of compression stroke. Then fourth difference is, in case of SI engine, the charge, that means petrol and air mixture is ignited with the help of spark plug. But in case of diesel engine or CI engine, the fuel is injected in the form of fine spray. The temperature of the compressed air is sufficiently high to ignite the fuel. Then number 5. SI engine or petrol engine has compression ratio approximately 6 to 10. But in case of diesel engine or CI engine, the compression ratio approximately from 15 to 25. The next point number 6. In case of SI engine or petrol engine, the starting is easy due to low compression ratio, that is R. But in case of diesel engine or CI engine, the starting point is little difficult due to high compression ratio, that is R. Next point. Petrol engine or SI engine is a light and cheaper engine due to low compression ratio. But in case of diesel engines, the engines are heavier and costlier due to high compression ratio. Next point. In case of petrol engine or SI engines, its initial cost is less, but running cost is more because petrol is costlier than diesel oil. But in case of diesel engine or CI engine, its initial cost is more, but running cost is less because diesel is cheaper than petrol. Next point. 9. SI engine, that is petrol engine, is a high speed engine, that means RPM, revolution per minute, varies from 300 to 5000. But in case of a diesel engine or CI engines, they are relatively low speed engine. Then petrol engine or SI engines, the thermal efficiency is less, that is up to 26% due to low compression ratio. But in case of diesel engine or CI engine, thermal efficiency is more, that is up to 40% due to high compression ratio. Now, the 11th point, that is overheating trouble is more due to low thermal efficiency in case of petrol engine or SI engine. But in case of diesel engine or CI engine, overheating trouble is less due to high thermal efficiency. Next point. Carburetor is used to vaporize petrol and to mix it with air in case of petrol engine or SI engine, that is spark ignition engine. But in case of diesel engine or CI engine, atomizer or fuel injector is used to inject fuel into the combustion chamber. Last point is 13th point. Petrol engine or SI engines are generally employed in large duty vehicles such as scooter, motorcycles, cars, etc. These are also used in aeroplanes. But in case of diesel engines or CI engines, they are generally employed to heavy duty vehicles like truck, bus and earth moving machinery, etc. Next class I will discuss what is the working principle of two-stroke petrol engine. Thank you.